Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will explain the join command and the explode command in LusoCAD. These two commands can be loosely understood as being opposite of each other, so learning both at the same time is very convenient. Let's take this geometric shape we have here. This shape is in fact comprised of many separate lines. This is not a unique object but many lines put together. Here we can see that it's not possible to select the entire object by clicking on it. So, in the case we want to make this shape a complete object that we can modify as a single entity, the join command will allow us to do so. Let's select entire geometry and all its lines. And by typing J, we can activate the join command. And now all lines have been joined, creating a polyline of the entire object. It's good to note that it's not necessary for the object to be closed for the polyline to be created. We can trim one end of the geometry and still use the join command. Now let's pay attention to these four lines above. The top two lines are on different x values, but their y value is the same, meaning they have the same trajectory. The two below, in contrast, are on totally different trajectories. The right line is lower than the left one. If we try to use the join command on the bottom lines, we will see that nothing happens. The command will be rejected. But since the top lines can actually connect on a straight line, the join command works and bridges the gap between them, creating a single object. Now, let's say we want to return this object to its original state, meaning independent lines that connect but stay unique objects. That's what the explode command lets us do. By selecting the polyline and introducing the explode command by typing X, we separate the polyline into independent lines. That was all for the join and explode commands. Keep watching to learn more commands and tools in LusoCAD.